Hello everyone, hope all you are well. So today I came up with the Tagheuer Aquaracer, very beautiful watch. It's basically launched. Tagheuer recently launched this watch in 40 mm dial case, and this watch is with the 200-meter water resistance. Usually the Aquaracers all are Aquaracers previously launched in like 300-meter, but this watch that Tagheuer recently launched in Aquaracer series is 200 meters. Basically, the Tagheuer claimed that this watch is all-terrain watch, and it's not basically the the diver's watch. It's basically it's on the surface of the all-terrain watches. Means you can use it wearing this watch, and you can do hiking and climbing and running and everything. And so that's why they just reduced its water resistance to its 200 meters. So so the reference number of this watch is WBP1110, and its dial case, as I mentioned you earlier, that it's in the 40 mm dial size. And they both launched in automatic and quartz, but the one which I am showing you, this is the quartz version. So this quartz version, it's the steel, the bezel is like matte finish, and the pure stainless steel case with the shiny chain, with the the chain, the bracelet links are bit in the shine, as I show you. This is in the shiny. And the back case is with the mark with the all-terrain sign. It's with the star, or you can say it's its symbols shows that it's this with the all stars. And the buckle, this is the latest buckle, which now in all Aquaracers it's coming. So the new series one. So the same buckle with the new series, and in the chain there's a stainless steel plus the shine with the glossy in between, with the glossy links. This is blacks. Basically the dial color is black sunray, and it's with the super Limova indexes. I said it's from my point of view, it's a good watch, and for like the dial size, they just decreases from the 41 mm to 40 dial size. So let me show you how that it looks on your hands. So that's for now. Hope you like my review. Please kindly subscribe to my channel for new arrivals regarding Tagheuer watches, and I'll try my best to bring the reviews of the other brands of the watches as well. Okay, for now, take care. Bye bye.